Hey guys, come watch me do an oil change on my M2 competition. Start by loosening and removing the oil filter. Then you're going to want to put it on a lift to make it easy and put an oil tray underneath. Unscrew the bolts, make sure it all drains out, and taste it to make sure it tastes good. Duh. Yep, that's the good stuff. Then I put the bolt back on and torqued it to spec. Then you're going to lower the car to finish the process. You're going to want to remove and replace the oil filter gaskets as well as the oil filter. I only use K&N because they're the best of the best. Then I lowered my car to finish the process. Then put in some Liquid Moly 5W30. After I put in the oil, I'm also going to add some Ceratec because I'm super extra and want my car to be running extra good, obviously. And then finally, I'm going to install the oil cap and close the hood and we'll be good to go.